What's up everyone, Josh here with 508 Magnets. More magnet fishing today at this bridge. It's actually the same bridge that I was at last week. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out, it's pretty good. But we're at the other side, and this side's very open and clear. Water's still nice and clear, running fast. A couple of tree branches in the way, but nothing I don't think we can work around. So let's get the magnet in the water. Let's get to throwing. All right, we got the Beast from Magnetar, 3,100 pound, 360 magnet. Still a little dirty from last time, but we'll do a live throw. We had really good luck the last weeks on the other side of this river, so let's see if we can have some of the same luck on this side. We were pulling in full magnet after full magnet last week, so I'm hoping that we can get some of the same stuff or same luck on this side today. And it seems like we may have already grabbed onto something. Oh yeah, it's pulling it in. It looks like a big piece here too. Fighting the current. I am almost certain that we can fill our bucket today, just like we did last week. And let's pull it up. Oh wow. Check that out. We got like one of those, it's either a mini sewer cap or maybe a free weight, but we got this pipe on here too. Let's get that off there. In the bucket it goes. Come on, Beast, this is mine. Thank you for finding it. I know you love playing fetch. There we go. Yeah, that looks like it's going to be a free weight. Maybe it'll clear up after it dries off a bit. But you can see there should be a centerpiece there. Yep. I'd say maybe 10, 15 pound. If I can get the... Yeah, I can't really tell. But there we go. That'll make the bucket nice and heavy to start off with. Not bad for a first throw. GoPro stop recording. All right, what do we got on this throw? Got some yellow wire. Beat up old can, a very light piece of pipe. All right, another throw, another full magnet. What do we got going on? Oh, it's a wire wheel. Okay, it's like a Dremel. That's what I would assume anyways, a little wire wheel action. Finding some tools. All right, let's see what we got on this throw. Some weight on here. We got something very round. Look at that. Break it open, see what's in there. Bunch of little rocks. What is in this little mystery egg? Oh. Seeing a shape. I don't know, some sort of big disc. Oh, it looks like it could be a cap to something. Not really sure. But you know where it is now? Out of the water, in the bucket. There, we got a couple little things on here. Big nail looking thing. And we got our spoon. We're always finding silverware. More rocks. I think last time we found a fork, so we got the spoon on this side. Clunk, Water's kind of shallow. Let's do a live pull. Why not? We're hitting something there. Might be a little too buried. We'll work on it. Another grab there. You can see the rope went from loose to tight. You can see we're dragging stuff. Another tight grab there. Let's see what we got. All right, what is that? Little button. Got a big pipe on this side, a little piece of wire. Ooh, we got like a, there was some sort of image on there. Little spring. Not sure what that is. Ooh. Some sort of piece, bracket, a bunch of stuff. Not bad. All right, on that throw, it looks like we might have got a brake pad. I'm almost certain that's what that is. Look at this, guys. We've got a tiny little key. And I think it says master on there. Tiny little master lock key. Yep. And again, most keys are not magnetic, which this one is not, as you can see, but the key ring is what we caught. So there it is, little key. All right. Ooh, what do we got? What's that? Something of color. Ooh, it's a lighter. It's a little nice lighter. I doubt it works. It doesn't even open. That's cool. Nice little like pearl colored handle on there. All right, we got a weird shaped thing on here. Let's check it out. All right, all right. Might have something we could identify. Although it looks like it's full of glass. Yeah, that looks like glass right there. So I don't know where the metal is. I don't want to smash it and get glass everywhere, but I'm assuming it's just a metal pipe with a bunch of rocks and glass and all sorts of stuff stuck in there. Never know. You never know what you're gonna find. All right, what do we got here? Oh, we got a master lock. I doubt it's the same one that goes to the key. Oh, look at that. The plate just popped right off. Let's take a look at what's inside a master lock. We got a spring. We got the little lock chamber. What's coming out? Ooh, I'm taking it all apart. Oh, this is gonna be cool. So there's the different, you know, that's where the key goes in. It's got the different teeth, pegs, whatever's in there, whatever they're called. Maybe some of our locksmith friends can chime in and let me know. It was definitely cut. But that's where all the different pins and stuff are. When it would turn, it would unlock it. Look at this. All of these are little individual plates that I'm assuming give the lock its strength. That's pretty cool. It's the inside workings of a padlock. Lots of different pins and things in there. That's pretty neat. All right, we're dragging something in. Let's see what it is. Some bigger item. We haven't got a lot of bigger items today. More smaller stuff, but cool stuff. We got the lighter, we got the padlock. Let's see. That looks like some sort of battery. Wire, piece. Oh, it's actually a couple different items. We got a little piece of pipe. And then this might be, yeah, I think that's a pry bar of some sort. Oh yeah, definitely a pry bar. Probably a little broken. Oh, maybe not. There we go, pry bar. Ugh, just another full magnet. Bolts and rust and who knows what's. All right, well, let's see. We got a couple of things here. We got a battery. We got the, I was gonna say spokes to an old bike, but I don't know, maybe. We got a flat piece. That almost feels like a box cutter. No, just a little piece of flat steel. Felt like a nice, ooh. I just felt the pull of the Magnetar right there. All right, we got something on here. Ooh, what is that? What is that? I have no idea. Oh, it's not one thing, it's a bunch of things. What? These almost remind me of, my wife is a baker, and it reminds me of those, the tubes that you do frosting with. I wouldn't consider this food grade level at all. But it's just a bunch of metal cones. Like what are these? You guys know what these are. Please tell me, because I've never seen anything like this. Like I said, they kind of remind me of those frosting tube thingies, but they're normally only this big, not 3 inches long. Well, that's different. I don't even know what that is. Most of the time we don't, let's be honest, but that's just weird. Little metal cones. Who wants ice cream? Who wants rust cream? All right, that's gonna do it for me here today. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down in the corner here. If you're looking for a magnet, check out Magnetar. Links down in the video description down below. And as always, thanks for watching.